Hello, welcome everybody. My name is Annie Andre and I live in France. I will be showing you how to fill out a French bank check. Ready? Here we go. All right, let's go. So we are going to be writing a check out to Emmanuel Macron for 1,575 euros and 99 centimes. So remember that. All right, step one, you need to write out the amount of the check in words. That means you need to know how to write 1,575 euros and 99 centimes in French, which is 1575 euros et 99 centimes. Step 2, write the name of the person or business where it says à l'ordre de. Step 3, write the amount of the check in numbers in the box next to the euro sign, self-explanatory. One thing to note is in France, you don't use a decimal for the cents. You use a comma. Don't forget a comma. Step 4, write the name of the city where you're writing the check. That means if you're in Montpellier, even though you live someplace else, you write Montpellier. If you're in Paris, you write Paris. If you're in Lyon, you write Lyon. It's not your address where you live, it's the city where you're actually writing the check. Step 5, in the space marked le, write the date in this format, day, month, year. Day, month, year, not month, day, year. And the last step, just sign your name in the bottom right-hand corner of the check. A lot of times there isn't even a line for you to sign. There isn't the word signature at the bottom. It's just a blank area and you have to, that's where you sign.
C'est comme ça que vous remplissez un chèque français. That's how you fill up a French check. Like and subscribe.